Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is manual sharing. To share with manual sharing, switch to classic view. OWD must be private for that object. Select the manual user record sharing checkbox to display the sharing button on user detail pages, which enables user to share their records with others. Sharing records individually with other users, use share button on record. Let's see an example. OW should be private to share the record manually. Let's log into our Salesforce account. So primary we need to verify from the setting, security, sharing setting. So to do the practical for this manual sharing, just make course object private and click on save button. So it may take a little bit of time. So this we are doing in our main account, Salesforce Network account. Also for the course object, we need to verify just come down. So for custom object permission for the course, it's view all and modify all. Let's make it unchecked, view all and modify all, because it is going to dominate. So just click on this uncheck, view all and modify all, hit the save button. Again just go to user A account, reload the page, click on course, click on all. So now we are not able to see any course in the user A account, because from the user A account there is no any course record has been created. But coming back to our main account, Salesforce Network account, there is one record of course owned by Salesforce Network. So I am going to share this particular record. So switch to Salesforce Classic View. Look for course object here. So there is one course record. Click on this particular. Click on sharing. So Salesforce Network, add, user A, add. I am giving the read only access. Click save. So again go to user A account and just reload this page. So now we are able to see this record owned by Salesforce Network, and here it is only view access. So in this case we can't modify the record. So here 2500 fee is there. Just make it 3000 and click on save button. So it is not allowing us to save the record with doing modification because we had given the view access only or read only access only from the Salesforce network user. So like this we are manually sharing the record. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.